Hi everyone, this is Neil from NovaStar Technical Support. Today I will mainly introduce how to change the video source on Taurus. First, we need to click video source on ViPlex Express software. And when we enter this page, there are two different video source tabs. The first is HDMI, and the last one is internal source. If we choose HDMI, the Taurus work mode will become Synchronous mode, and if we choose an internal source, the Taurus work mode will become the Asynchronous mode. So don't click apply when we choose different works mode. When we use the Taurus to loading the LED screen or LED sign, if we do screen connection on LCT, if there is a tabs just like it means the LED resolution, LED screen resolution already over the Taurus loading the resolution. So when you do a little bit, change on Express. So on here, when you do change the internal resolution on here, we can set the maximum resolution is 1920 by 1080. It is a maximum resolution pixel on Taurus. About the full screen zoom function, it means you can full off the image or video on the LED screen or LED sign. But please pay attention here. The function only allows the image to zoom out, not zoom in, because Taurus maximum resolution pixel limitation. So we only use the full screen zoom function to zoom out image or video. Okay, thank you. That's all.